Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 2 screencast video. So, just taking a quick look at the schedule for the week. Tuesday, your initial post for exercises 1 and 2 and discussion board number 3 will be due. Our reading this week is the textbook, The Curious Researcher. We're going to work on the introduction this week. By Friday, then, responses to the discussion boards will be due. About midweek, I will post a lecture video about the critical thinking essay that is due on Sunday, end of day. So let us get over to, let's see, where do I want to go? Let's go over to the weekly course units first. We'll take a look at week 2. Alrighty, so the introduction is pretty straightforward in the textbook. It's read pages 1 to 19 is the reading for the week. You want to focus on Ballinger's essay, The Theories of Intelligence. That'll be the primary focus of exercise 2 in the textbook. Exercise 1 is a simple little fast ride exercise. You should be able to really execute that quite quickly in the discussion board, and I'll head over there in a minute. So remember, your initial posts to both threads will be due on Tuesday. Responses, I believe, on Friday. Then the critical thinking essay is due Sunday, and that'll be over in the assignment uploads where you will upload the GDoc link to your particular essay assignment. Getting over to the uploads here. I've got the drive instructions, which I will talk about in the lecture video this week. And then here's the upload for the critical thinking essay. It's worth 20% of your course grade. So after you've written your essay in the Google Drive and Google Docs, you're going to capture that URL to your Drive document that you have in the course folder. You're going to click on Write Submission. It'll open up this text box here. You just copy and paste your link into the text box and click on Submit, and everything will go submitted into my grading queue, and I'll be able to verify your submission and comment and grade your essay. So that is the process. Like I said, I will post the lecture video about, I'd say, about Wednesday or so, and you'll be able to look through that um, and view that and get a little bit more background before you write the essay. It's pretty much a straightforward essay. It's not that difficult. So here are the two. Once again, I've created the two threads, exercise 1, exercise 2. So here is for exercise 1. You can read through the instructions here. Same process as discussion board number 2. Click on the reply to the thread, and you can add your last name and fast write your activity there. Let's cancel this and get back to the next thread, which is about the theory of intelligence in exercise 2. This one here is all about your reaction to Ballinger's essay. So make sure you can read that. If for some reason your textbook is still en route, if I can get back to the course units, you should be able to find. I'm almost positive I have it uploaded right here. Here should be the PDF, right? I'm hoping. Let's see, is this the PDF? Nothing like taking your time here. This is a PDF. I scanned a copy of this from the textbook, so you may have to print this or rotate it around to read it. Let's see if we can do the zoom. Okay, wrong one. There should be a rotation button here. It's a short print, so you can print this out and read Theories of Intelligence. It's actually kind of marked up from an old textbook version. I haven't been able to find a PDF version of this, like a published version, because it was written for the textbook. But you should be able to grasp the all of the reading and exercises out of this. All right, you'll be able to function well on this particular one. Just I'd print it real quick. It's only a couple of sheets. All right, so that's the theories of intelligence. This is what we have going on for the week. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Like I said, look for the lecture video about Wednesday about essay, the critical thinking essay, and how to go about that assignment. All right, good luck.